How to create a shared Google Drive folder. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To create a shared Google Drive folder, start off by launching your Google Drive in your device. Now, if you have not got this application installed yet, you can check out for Google Drive Folder Web. Now, to create a new folder, you can tap on New, then click on the folder option, and you can type in the required name. Once you have successfully created a folder, now to share it, tap on the three-dot option next to it. Now in here, you will see the share option. Tap on the share option. Start off by entering the email address of the person to which you wish to share the folder with. Adjust what they can do. You can sort it as editor, commenter, or viewer. Once done, you can type in if you wish to notify this certain someone or not. You can also type in a message if you wish to. Then tap on the send arrow. Once you do this, now this person has been accessed for your Google Drive folder. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for tuning in.